बात करते हैं फैमिली प्लानिंग की। अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO, फैमिली प्लानिंग इज डिफाइंड एज अ वे ऑफ थिंकिंग एंड लिविंग द that is adopted voluntarily upon the basis of knowledge, attitude, and responsible decisions by individuals and couples in order to promote the health and welfare of the family growth and thus contribute effectively to the social development of a country. एक और डेफिनेशन है, फैमिली प्लानिंग इज डिफाइंड एज plan and limit the size of the family in according with the social, health and economic conditions so as to ensure that the family is happy both physically and mentally. अब इसमें एक टर्म था फैमिली वेलफेयर। फैमिली वेलफेयर की बात करते हैं। फैमिली वेलफेयर, द टर्म फैमिली वेलफेयर इज यूज्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ द फैमिली प्लानिंग। फैमिली वेलफेयर signifies the improvement of the quality of health and welfare of the entire family. Objectives देखते हैं इसके। Objectives of family: avoiding unwanted births, bringing about wanted births, regulating intervals between pregnancies, determining the number of children in the family, reduce infant mortality rate, encourage late marriages, improve women's health, कंट्रोल ऑफ कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज या इन्फेक्शियस डिजीजेज हैं। अब है मेथड्स ऑफ फैमिली प्लानिंग। वुमेन, मेन और कपल्स कैन चूज फ्रॉम मैनी कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव्स मेथड टू हेल्प देम plan their family and prevent an unplanned pregnancy. They need to know that if they are having sex regularly and do not use a contraceptive method, about 8 of every 10 women will become pregnant during the next 12 months. Types of contraceptive methods: पहला टेम्पररी, दूसरा परमानेंट। टेम्पररी मेथड्स देखते हैं। इट कैन बी यूज्ड बाय द कपल्स who have got married newly, those who want birth spacing, and also those who don't want any child after the birth of 2 children. Abstinence: preventing the sexual act. In this method of contraceptive, self-control is necessary, although it is not possible for all couples. B. Withdrawal method: coitus interrupts. ठीक। In this method, the couples advised having safe sex. During intercourse, the ejection of semen is taking place outside of the vagina. Third temporary method है condom, निरोध। Condom is made up of very thin sheath of rubber, latex or silicone which can be stretched according to size of the erect penis. It is used by the men during sex. As the nirodh covers the penis, the sperm cannot go inside the vagina, thus it acts as a barrier. It also prevents sexually transmitted disease (STD). Advantages हैं cheaper, no side effects, protection against sexually transmitted disease, for example HIV/AIDS, prevent conception, easy to use. Disadvantages की बात करते हैं। inadequate sexual pleasure, may accidentally break or slip off during coitus, to discard after one coital act. Diaphragm: it is one of the temporary contraceptive method. It is a device for women. It is an intravaginal device made up of rubber, round dome like device. Types: flat, covered, spiral. It should be used along with the vaginal cream. डायफ्राम का मेथड देखेंगे कैसे उसको यूज करना। मेथड ऑफ यूज: इनिशियली अप्लाई vaginal cream over the diaphragm. Press both the curved edges and introduce into the vagina. It will go and fix in front of the cervix so that it will prevent the entry of sperm. Advice for using diaphragm: कुछ एडवाइसेस हैं. Along with diaphragm, vaginal cream should be used after fixing diaphragm within 3 hours, and the couple should have sexual contact. After the intercourse, should not remove the diaphragm at least 6 to 8 hours. It should not be left in the vagina more than 24 hours. After taking from vagina, wash with soap and water, dry and keep it in the box safely. Before use, check whether there is any tear or leak. इसके एडवांटेजेस हैं. 100% it will give protection, easy for handling, no side effects. Disadvantages में देखें. Required help of a doctor to measure the size required. Urinary tract infection, not suitable for women with uterine prolapse. अब केमिकल्स हैं. केमिकल्स में देखते हैं स्पर्मिसाइडल क्रीम, जेली, फोम टैबलेट्स, वेजाइनल क्रीम्स. अब बात करते हैं वेजाइनल क्रीम्स की. दिस विल बी अप्लाइड इन द वेजाइना सो दैट द स्पर्म विल बी किल्ड इन द वेजाइना इटसेल्फ आफ्टर द इंटरकोर्स, वॉशिंग ऑफ द इंटायर वेजाइना. फिर है सेफ पीरियड. रिदम मेथड. अवॉइडिंग सेक्स इन पर्टिकुलर डेज इन विच प्रेगनेंसी इज पॉसिबल. Safe means preventing the fusion of sperm with ovum. Women having fallopian tubes on both sides of the uterus. Each month, one egg will be released alternatively from the both fallopian tubes. When the time of ovulation, the couple should not have sexual intercourse because the chances are more for the pregnancy. This maturation of ovum is taking place 12 to 16 before menstruation. After menstruation, it will survive only for 48 hours. The male sperm after ejaculation survive for 3 days in the female sex organ. So 1 week before and 1 week after menstruation, if the couple have sexual relationship, the pregnancy can be avoided to some extent. So it is called as safe period. It is safe for preventing pregnancy. ये एक साइकिल है जिसमें इनफर्टाइल, मेंस्ट्रुएशन, इनफर्टाइल, फर्टाइल, ये सब है, ये साइकिल है. अब बात करेंगे एडवांटेजेस के. व्हेन द मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल इज रेगुलर मीन्स इट इज बेनिफिशियल. नो साइड इफेक्ट्स. कैलकुलेशन ऑफ डेज इज इजी. अब डिसएडवांटेजेस की बात करते हैं. व्हेन द मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल इज इरेगुलर, इट इज नॉट बेनिफिशियल. सेकंड, हैविंग सेक्सुअल रिलेशनशिप विल बी मिनिमाइज्ड, सो द मेल पार्टनर में डिससेटिस्फाइड with this method. The male partner cooperation is very much needed. ओरल कंट्रासेप्टिव्स की बात करते हैं. ओरल कंट्रासेप्टिव्स की. ओरल कंट्रासेप्टिव्स आर मेडिसिन्स टेकन बाय माउथ टू हेल्प प्रिवेंट प्रेगनेंसी. दे आर आल्सो नोन एज बर्थ कंट्रोल पिल्स. टाइप्स में देखते हैं कंबाइंड पिल्स, प्रोजेस्टोजेन ओनली पिल्स. कंबाइंड पिल्स में अब देखते हैं तो पहला है, इसमें देखेंगे क्या, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एन एस्ट्रोजन विद अ प्रोजेस्टोजेन. कंबाइंड पिल्स में एस्ट्रोजन और प्रोजेस्टोजेन मिल के रहता है. फॉर्मुलेशन में भी मोनोफेजिक, बाईफेजिक, ट्राईफेजिक. मोनोफेजिक में ईच टैबलेट कंटेन्स अ फिक्स्ड अमाउंट ऑफ एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टीन. बाईफेजिक में ईच टैबलेट कंटेन्स अ फिक्स्ड अमाउंट ऑफ एस्ट्रोजन while the amount of progestin increases in the second half of the cycle. Triphasic की बात करें, the amount of estrogen may be fixed or variable while the amount of progestin increases in 3 equal phases. Estrogen in most combined preparation second generation pills is ethinyl estradiol, although a few preparations contains mestranol instead. The progestogen may be nor ethisterone, levonorgestrel, gestrel, ethynodiol, or in third generation pills, digos, desogestrel or gestodine, which are more potent, have less androgenic action and cause less change in lipoprotein metabolism, but which probably cause a greater risk of thromboembolism than do second generation preparations. अब बात करेंगे प्रोजेस्टोजेन ऑनली पिल्स की. द ड्रग्स यूज्ड इन प्रोजेस्टोजेन ऑनली पिल्स इंक्लूड नॉरएथिस्टेरोन, levonorgestrel or ethynodiol. The pill is taken daily without interruption. Mechanism इसका देखते हैं. The mode of action is primarily on the cervical mucus, which is made inhospitable to sperm. The progestogen probably also hinders implantation through its effect on the endometrium and on the motility and secretions of the fallopian tubes. इफेक्ट्स देखते हैं इसका. प्रोजेस्टोजेन ऑनली कंट्रासेप्टिव्स आफ्टर अ सुटेबल अल्टरनेटिव टू द कंबाइंड पिल फॉर सम वुमेन इन whom estrogen is contraindicated and are suitable for women whose blood pressure increases unacceptably during treatment with estrogen. However, their contraceptive effect is less reliable than that of the combination pill and missing a dose may result in conception. Disturbance of menstruation, irregular bleeding are common. पोस्ट क्वाइटल या इमरजेंसी कंट्रासेप्शन की बात करते हैं तो ओरल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ लीवोनॉर्जेस्ट्रल alone 1.5 mg usually or combined with estrogen is effective in taken within 72 hours of unprotected intercourse, repeated 12 hours later. Nausea and vomiting are common. A single dose of mifepristone has also been used for emergency contraceptive. थोड़ा और देख लेते हैं ओरल कंट्रासेप्टिव्स के बारे में. Which are tablets taken by mouth, which is prepared as hormonal preparation, helping in prevention of fertilization. Types Mala D, Mala N. Both are preventing the formation of fertilized ovum. Method of taking tablets, oral tablets, starting from the 5th day of menstruation. Daily 1 tablet at bedtime till 21 days. The woman has to take the tablets. The remaining 7 tablets are iron tablets, which has to be completed by 28th day. If 1 tablet is missed at night, any night, missed pill is taken at next breakfast. If 2 pills are missed, taken additional breakfast. If 2 pills are missed, additional condom protection is taken for the month till next menses. However, pill course is completed. Side effects देखते हैं. Minimal side effects only. Some may have vomiting, headache, bleeding, increase of weight. The women affected with jaundice, vascular disease, epilepsy, dysfunctional uterine bleeding, blood pressure, cancer in breast, cervix and uterus should not take the tablets, cannot take oral contraceptives. Newly married, those who postpone the childbirth, those who underwent abortion, MTP, and the women who want delay in pregnancy can take oral contraceptives. When to come for review? After 3 months of taking oral tablets, any time when any complication arises, routine checkup every year to find out high blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol. बात करते हैं कॉपर टी की. इट इज़ अ प्लास्टिक टी शेप्ड यूटेराइन डिवाइस यूज्ड इन डिजाइन which is designed to prevent pregnancy. Method of action: to prevent implantation of the egg in the lining of the uterus. Methods of insertion: copper T 375, copper T 380A. It can be applied when post-menstrual, post-abortal, post-placental, postpartum occurs. Then the copper T applies. Those who is not having at least one child and the cervical uterine patients cannot use copper T. Those who wants birth spacing and after abortion to prevent pregnancy, copper T can have copper T. Placement of copper T. To verify whether the copper T is in place or not, the woman should wash her hands and sit in the squatting position and introduce the index finger into the vagina and should feel the thread. If the thread is filled, then the copper T is in place, or otherwise if it would have misplaced. It should be tested at the end of menstruation. If it is not felt, then rush to the hospital. Indications for removal of copper T: when there is severe painful bleeding, intolerable lower abdominal pain, excessive white discharge. When the white thread is not felt, if pregnancy had occurred. Advantages: safe, highly effective and has long lasting action 10 years. No hormonal related side effects. Disadvantages में है heavier menstrual periods, does not protect against sexually transmitted infection या HIV. एमरजेंसी कंट्रासेप्शन में अभी बताए हैं पोस्ट क्वाइडल पिल्स के बारे में. अ मेथड यूज्ड टू प्रिवेंट प्रेगनेंसी आफ्टर एन अनप्रोटेक्टेड सेक्स. Emergency contraceptive pills are given to women who had intercourse without using any family planning method, to women who missed pills for 3 days, to a woman who had suspected pregnancy, to women who are breastfeeding or less than 6 weeks postpartum, to a woman who had a blood clotting problems. The hormones in the pills prevent fertilization, preventing implantation of the fertilized egg in the lining of the uterus. The first postcoital pills to be taken in 72 hours or 3 days after unprotected sex. अब बात करते हैं इंजेक्टेबल्स की. Some contraceptives are injectable. Depo medroxyprogesterone, DMPA, DIMPA, norethistérone, enanthate, NET, EN. Above injectables can be used to avoid unwanted pregnancies. Method of use: every 3 months, one injection is enough. 5th day of menstruation should be appropriate for giving injection. It should be given in the gluteal region deep intramuscularly. Side effects में देखते हैं. Bleeding will be there sometime. Weight may be increased. Advantages में देखें. Prevent unwanted pregnancy. Prevent suckering fibroid inside and outside the uterus. It is safe, long-standing safety measures. Indications की बात करते हैं तो those who have severe bleeding should not be given. Cancer, cervix, uterus and any vaginal diseases are not given. Norplant की बात करें, implant. This is also a temporary contraceptive method. This will have 6 contraceptive pills which are made up of silicone rubber and is being implanted under the 5th arm 6 to 8 cm above the elbow fold. It is done under local anesthetic. Norplant should be removed within 5 years of insertion. Advantages की बात करते हैं. Prolonged protection will be possible. Any woman in the reproductive age can use. Anytime it can be taken out. Side effects: sometimes excessive bleeding will be there. Slight headache is possible. Permanent methods. The permanent methods of contraception are female sterilization, tubal ligation, male sterilization, vasectomy. Female and male sterilization are close to 100% effective and are considered permanent methods of contraception. Although a small risk of pregnancy still remains, once a woman or man has the procedure, it is very likely that she or he cannot have any more children because generally the procedure cannot be reversed. The couple must talk over the decision to use a permanent method carefully and be certain that they will not want more children. Men and women should understand that other highly effective and reversible contraceptive methods are available if they are not ready for permanent method. Female sterilization. It is relatively simple surgical method procedure. A very small incision is made in a woman's abdomen and her fallopian tubes are cut and blocked so that eggs cannot move through the tubes to meet the sperm. Female sterilization has no side effects and complications are extremely rare when the procedure is performed by a well-trained healthcare provider. It can be provided almost any time, including immediately after childbirth, so long as she makes the decision before giving birth. Male sterilization vasectomy. It is an even simpler surgical procedure. A tiny hole is made in the scrotum, the sac that holds the testicle, and both tubes, vas deferens, that carry a man's sperm to his penis, are cut and blocked. This keeps sperm out of the semen and fluid that is released by a man during ejaculation. The man can still ejaculate and have an orgasm as before that, but there will be no sperm in semen.